Ready to upgrade your home in ways you'll wish you found sooner? These incredible Amazon home upgrades are all about making your space smarter, more comfortable, and way more functional without the hassle. From small changes to total game changers, every pick is designed to make everyday living feel easier and better. All products are linked in the description below. Your shower stops being just a routine when it turns into a full spa experience in your own bathroom. This full-body shower system surrounds you with a massive rainfall ceiling head that feels like warm water falling naturally from above. You also get side body jets that massage you from different angles, helping you relax every muscle while you stand there. A handheld shower gives you extra control when you need it, so you can switch between full coverage and focused rinsing anytime. A digital display shows the water temperature and shower time in real time, so you always stay comfortable without sudden surprises. Your bedroom stops being just a place to sleep when your bed starts doing everything for you. This smart bed frame combines comfort, storage, and entertainment all in one setup. You get built-in speakers so you can play music or podcasts without extra devices, plus reading lights on the headboard for calm nighttime use. A built-in massage feature helps you relax after long days, giving you a gentle, soothing experience without leaving your bed. USB ports keep your devices charged right beside you, so everything stays within reach. Cleaning doesn't have to feel like a full workout when your vacuum actually moves with you instead of against you. This upright vacuum is built to glide smoothly around furniture thanks to its swivel steering, so you can reach tight corners without struggling. A detachable lift-away pod lets you clean stairs, couches, and hard-to-reach spots without dragging the whole machine around. It also comes with a HEPA filtration system that traps fine dust and allergens, helping keep your air cleaner while you clean your floors. Strong suction handles carpets, hard floors, and pet hair with ease, making everyday cleaning feel faster, lighter, and way less annoying. Outdoor spaces get messy fast, especially when everything has nowhere to go. This storage bench fixes that by turning your seating into hidden storage at the same time. You get a wide, comfortable bench that easily fits 2 to 3 people, while underneath is a large, hidden compartment that holds cushions, tools, or garden items out of sight. The lid opens smoothly so you can access everything quickly without hassle. Built from durable, weather-resistant material, it stands up to sun, rain, and everyday outdoor use without fading or rusting. Your makeup routine feels instantly cleaner when everything has its own place instead of rolling around on the counter. This brush holder keeps your cosmetics neatly organized in separate compartments so you can grab exactly what you need without digging. A simple push-up lid lifts your brushes into view, making it quick and effortless to access them while you get ready. The enclosed design also keeps dust and splashes away, so your brushes stay cleaner for longer between uses. Watching movies at home suddenly stops feeling small when your entire wall turns into a cinema screen. This 4K triple laser projector brings ultra-bright visuals that stay sharp and colorful even in well-lit rooms. You get massive cinematic detail with deep blacks and smooth contrast, so every scene feels more alive and immersive. The built-in Dolby Atmos sound system surrounds you from every direction, making it feel like the action is happening all around you instead of just in front. It even sets itself up automatically by aligning the picture and focusing on the screen, so you can go from switching it on to watching a full theater experience in seconds. Most bird feeders just feed birds, but this one lets you actually experience every visit like a live show. This smart bird feeder has a built-in 4K camera that captures sharp photos and video of every bird that stops by your yard. You can watch everything in real time on your phone, so you never miss a moment even when you're not home. It uses AI to recognize thousands of bird species, so you can actually learn what's visiting instead of guessing. A wide-angle lens and night vision mean you get clear views day or night, while instant alerts let you know the exact second a bird arrives. Your living room instantly feels different when your sofa becomes the main character of the space. This U-shaped sectional gives you a huge, open seating area that wraps around you, making it perfect for movie nights, lounging, or hosting friends. The deep seats and soft corduroy fabric make it feel extra cozy, like you can just sink in and stay there for hours. Built-in RGB lights let you change the mood with your phone, so you can go from calm and relaxed to bright and energetic in seconds. Laundry doesn't always need a big machine taking up half your home. This compact clothes dryer is designed for small spaces and makes drying clothes feel simple and fast. You can load up to a handful of items at once, and it uses a mix of warm airflow and heat to dry them in as little as 50 minutes instead of waiting hours. It's perfect when you don't want to hang clothes everywhere or wait for the sun. A built-in timer lets you control exactly how long it runs, so you never worry about overdrying or wasting energy. Quiet, lightweight, and easy to set up, it's made for apartments, travel, or anywhere space is tight. You know that moment when you wash your hands and still end up reaching for paper towels? This high-speed hand dryer gets rid of that hassle completely. It uses a powerful airflow system that dries your hands in seconds, so you're not standing there waiting around. The built-in HEPA filter helps keep the air cleaner while you dry, making it feel more hygienic and fresh every time you use it. It's fully touch-free, so it turns on automatically when you bring your hands close, keeping things clean without any contact. Compact in size but strong in performance, you can place it in a kitchen, bathroom, or even a workspace with its flexible stand setup. Your face holds a lot of tension without you even noticing it. This facial massager is designed to gently relax your skin and help your face look more refreshed and lifted. It glides along your jawline, cheeks, and neck, using soft vibrations to stimulate circulation and reduce puffiness, especially after long nights or tired mornings. The shape is designed to naturally follow your facial contours, so it feels smooth and comfortable as you move it around. Cutting grass doesn't have to mean dragging a mower under the sun anymore. This robotic lawn mower takes over the whole job and handles your lawn all by itself. You set virtual boundaries right from your phone, and it maps your yard without needing any buried wires or complicated setup. It uses smart AI vision to recognize over 150 types of obstacles, so it can smoothly avoid things like toys, trees, and garden edges. It follows clean planned patterns for an even cut and quietly works at just 58 decibels, so you can relax while your lawn gets perfectly trimmed in the background. Mornings don't have to be silent anymore when your shower turns into a mini concert. This waterproof wireless speaker lets you stream music straight from your phone with a stable Bluetooth connection and smooth, clear sound. It pumps out surprisingly loud audio with rich bass, so you can actually feel the beat while you wash up. The built-in LED lights react with color effects that instantly make any space feel more fun and alive. It's fully waterproof, can float on water, and lasts for hours on a single charge, with a handy strap so you can take it anywhere, from the bathroom to the beach. Your toothbrush is just upgraded from wet and messy to clean and dry on command. This wall-mounted holder keeps up to 4 brushes neatly stored while drying them after every use. A built-in fan and heating plate remove moisture fast, so bacteria don't get a chance to build up. UV light adds an extra layer of cleanliness by helping sanitize the brush heads. It runs on timed cycles automatically, so you don't have to think about it. Dry air in your room can feel uncomfortable fast, but this humidifier fixes that quietly and naturally. It adds clean moisture into the air without creating visible mist or leaving white dust behind. You can use regular tap water, so there's no extra hassle or cost. An automatic sensor keeps humidity at a comfortable level, so your room never feels too dry or too damp. At night, it runs whisper quiet with a soft light, helping you sleep more comfortably. Even your bathroom trash can feel smart now. This slim bin opens automatically when you wave, tap, or nudge it, so you never have to touch it. Inside, it hides a built-in toilet brush system that keeps everything in one clean setup. The disposable brush heads already come pre-soaked, so cleaning feels faster and more hygienic. A soft, close lid shuts quietly every time, while an odor filter helps keep the air fresh and neutral. Your hat's just got a full spa treatment at home. This all-in-one machine cleans, steams, and dries your caps so they look fresh and feel new again. You can choose quick refresh or deep steam depending on how dirty things are. Hot air smooths out wrinkles while helping the hat keep its original shape. It even works on different styles like baseball caps and bucket hats, so you don't have to worry about damage or misshaping. Meet the screen that does way more than just sit there. This smart display brings your shows, calls, and daily tasks into one vibrant hub you can see and control at a glance. You can stream videos, follow recipes, check your calendar, or manage your home devices with just your voice. Spatial audio fills the room, so everything sounds richer and clearer. And with a smart camera that keeps you centered on calls, staying connected feels natural and effortless. Finally, a lounge spot made just for your kids. This double-seat chair gives them their own place to relax, play, or hang out with a friend. A built-in canopy adds shade, so they stay cool on sunny days. You also get cup holders within reach and a hidden space to stash toys or snacks. Soft cushions keep things comfy, while the sturdy wood frame stays stable during all the fun. Turn your room into a moving ocean in seconds. This LED projector fills your walls and ceiling with flowing waves that instantly feel calming and immersive. You can adjust the brightness to go from a soft night glow to a vivid light show. The rotating effect keeps everything in motion so it never feels static or boring. Tilt the base to aim it anywhere and create your perfect vibe. Your bedside just got smarter without taking up more space. This slim wooden nightstand fits neatly beside your bed or sofa, making it perfect for tight spots. You get 2 drawers to hide clutter and a pull-out shelf for quick access to essentials. Built from solid wood, it feels sturdy and stays stable without wobbling. Thoughtful cable grooves and a back hole keep your chargers organized and out of sight. Laundry day just got way more organized. This smart hamper splits your clothes into 3 sections so you can separate lights, darks, and delicates as you go. Each section has a removable bag with handles, making it easy to carry straight to the washer. A helper grip at the bottom lets you empty without the mess. The lid keeps everything looking neat, even when it's full. Cleaning your floors just became completely hands-free. This robot vacuum and mop uses smart AI to map your space, avoid obstacles, and clean every corner without you lifting a finger. With powerful suction, it pulls dirt out of carpets while hot water mopping tackles stubborn stains. A built-in arm can even move small items out of the way, so nothing gets missed. And when it's done, it washes, dries, and empties itself automatically.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.